Learn to Draw is an Android application designed to help users develop their drawing skills through guided lessons and tutorials. This app is especially beneficial for beginners, aspiring artists, or anyone interested in improving their artistic abilities, regardless of their prior experience. Key features typically include a variety of drawing tutorials that cover different techniques, styles, and subjects, such as animals, characters, and landscapes. Users can follow step-by-step instructions that help them understand fundamental drawing concepts, from basic shapes to more complex compositions. Additionally, Learn to Draw often provides interactive tools, such as a sketchpad and various brushes, allowing users to practice directly within the app. This hands-on approach encourages experimentation and creativity, helping users refine their skills over time. Some versions of the app may include features for sharing artwork with others, fostering a sense of community and feedback among users. Users might also have access to tips on improving techniques, understanding proportions, and enhancing their personal style.